Throughout history, humans feared missing out on the next big war, the rise of an empire or the fall of one. But the real FOMO? It's written in the stars. While we're chasing likes and deadlines, the universe is planning events so massive they'll rewrite existence itself, and we won't be around to see a single one. These aren't just natural wonders. They're cosmic mic drops. So if you think you've seen it all, buckle up. Because here are 8 insane events you will definitely miss, but once you know about them, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda. What if I told you the peaceful night sky you love is lying to you? The stars may look calm, but 2 of the largest galaxies in our neighborhood are actually speeding toward a cosmic smash-up. Yep, our very own Milky Way is heading straight into a galactic collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. They're coming at each other at nearly 400,000 kilometers per hour. You won't feel it, but this slow-motion train wreck is already in motion. Now here's the twist. Despite being called a collision, it won't be explosive chaos with stars blowing up everywhere. Galaxies are mostly empty space. So when they merge, most stars will pass right by each other like ships in the night. But gravitational forces will go haywire. Entire solar systems, maybe even ours, could be flung into totally new positions, like cosmic billiard balls. And when it's all done, we'll no longer be in the Milky Way. Future astronomers, if any exist, will live in a completely new galaxy, already nicknamed Milkomeda. The sky will look wildly different, bright, warped, and filled with stars from both galaxies swirled together in one enormous shape. You and I won't be around to witness this. But this event is real, it's coming, and it's one of the most incredible things the universe has in store. Isn't it insane that 2 massive galaxies are destined to dance, slowly, silently, and reshape everything? Betelgeuse going supernova. There's a ticking time bomb sitting on Orion's shoulder. Betelgeuse, one of the brightest and biggest stars in our sky, is dying. But it's not going down quietly. This massive red supergiant has been puffing up, dimming, and behaving like a star with serious attitude problems. Astronomers are watching closely because Betelgeuse could explode as a supernova at any moment, and when it does, oh man, it'll be the brightest thing in our night sky, visible even during the day. For weeks, Earth will have a second sun. No telescope needed, just walk outside and there it'll be, glowing with the energy of billions of suns. But don't worry, we're safe. Even at 640 light-years away, it won't harm us. It'll just put on one of the greatest shows the universe can offer. Back in 2019, Betelgeuse dimmed so much that people thought it was already blowing up. Turns out it was just coughing up a huge cloud of gas and dust. But that was a warning. This star is unstable. Its life is nearly over. It might explode tomorrow. Or it might take another 100,000 years. We just don't know. But when it does happen, it'll be legendary. A front-row seat to the death of a giant, a cosmic firework that'll make history, and we'll all miss it. The death of the sun. Every second, the sun burns through 600 million tons of hydrogen, and it's not going to stop. One day, this unstoppable engine of life will run out of fuel, and when it does, it won't just fade away quietly, it will grow into a monster. Around 5 billion years from now, the sun will start to swell, bigger and bigger. It will become a red giant so huge it might swallow Mercury, Venus, and yes, even Earth. Our oceans will boil away, the atmosphere will burn off, the ground will melt. Everything we've ever known, gone in a fiery end that we won't even be around to witness. But that's not where the story ends. After this violent expansion, the sun will shed its outer layers into space, creating a glowing shell of gas called a planetary nebula. What's left behind will be a tiny, super-dense white dwarf, about the size of Earth, but with nearly half the sun's mass crammed inside, cold, fading, and silent. Here's what makes this insane. Every sunrise you've seen, every ray of sunlight that's ever warmed your skin, it's part of a countdown. The clock is ticking, not fast enough for us to see the end, but it's ticking nonetheless. And when the final glow fades, our solar system will be a graveyard orbiting a cosmic ember. The star that gave us life will die. And in that death, it reminds us that even the brightest things don't last forever. The disappearance of Saturn's rings. They've been called the crown jewels of our solar system. Saturn's rings, glorious, iconic, and almost hypnotic, aren't just pretty. They're one of the most stunning cosmic features we can see. But what if I told you they're disappearing, right now? Saturn's rings are made of countless icy particles, constantly bombarded by micrometeorites and pulled down by Saturn's gravity. This process is called ring rain, and it's draining those shimmering rings straight into the planet's atmosphere. Slowly, silently, grain by grain, they're vanishing. In fact, scientists estimate that Saturn could lose its rings entirely in the next 100 to 300 million years. That's practically a blink on the cosmic clock. And there's something eerie about knowing that future civilizations may never see them. To them, Saturn might look like just another gas giant. No rings, no beauty, no clue of what once circled it like a glowing halo. And it gets even weirder. This March, from Earth's viewpoint, the rings will align edge-on, becoming almost invisible. For a short time it'll look like they've vanished. It's an optical illusion, but a haunting preview of what's truly coming. We live in a rare window of time, lucky enough to see Saturn at its most majestic. But the universe is always changing. And this masterpiece? It's fading away right before we ever had the chance to appreciate it fully. The creation of a new black hole from star collapse. Sometimes a star dies so quietly it doesn't even leave a bang. No fireworks, no explosion, just silence. One moment it's shining bright, the next, it's gone. And what replaces it? A black hole. This phenomenon is called a failed supernova. A massive star burns through its fuel, its core collapses under its own weight, but instead of exploding, it vanishes from view, collapsing directly into a black hole. Astronomers have actually watched stars disappear like this. One in particular, a red supergiant in the galaxy NGC 6946, just faded away. No supernova, no goodbye, just darkness. Here's why that's insane. We've spent decades thinking black holes were born in fiery chaos. But this is death by implosion. It's like the universe pulling a cosmic magic trick. Poof, and a star is gone. What's left behind is an object so dense, so powerful that not even light can escape it. And the creepy part? We may never know how many black holes have already formed this way, completely unnoticed. They're out there, silent, invisible, waiting. While we gaze at the stars above us, some may already be gone, collapsed into darkness long before their light ever reached us. In the grand theater of space, not all finales come with applause. Some just vanish, and in their place, a monster is born. The Big Rip Theory. You know what's scarier than the end of Earth? The end of everything. Not in fire, not in ice, but in a slow, unstoppable stretch that tears the universe apart, right down to the atoms. Welcome to the Big Rip. This mind-bending theory suggests that the universe's expansion isn't just continuing, it's accelerating. Thanks to dark energy, an invisible force pushing galaxies apart, space itself is growing faster and faster. And if that acceleration keeps increasing, one day, gravity, atoms, and even the laws of physics won't be able to hold things together. First, galaxies would fly away from each other, then star systems would unravel, planets, moons, even the Earth would be torn from their orbits, and it doesn't stop there. Eventually molecules would break, then atoms, then quarks, everything would stretch until it shreds into nothing. Estimated timeline, maybe 22 billion years from now. But we don't know for sure, because dark energy is still a mystery. It could stay steady, or go wild. If it does, the universe won't go out with a bang. It'll go out screaming, ripped apart by its own expansion. Think about that. Not an explosion, not a collapse, but an unraveling. A slow, invisible pulling of the cosmic thread that ends the entire tapestry. The formation of a new star system in the pillars of creation. They look like colossal statues, frozen in the void, towers of gas and dust rising light years tall. But those pillars, they're not still, they're alive. Deep inside them, stars are being born. The pillars of creation, located in the Eagle Nebula, are one of the most iconic images from space. But behind the beauty lies a powerful truth. Each dark knot, each swirl of cosmic dust, is a nursery. Gravity is pulling matter together, crushing it tighter and tighter until nuclear fusion ignites, creating a brand new star. The James Webb Space Telescope recently peered into these pillars with astonishing clarity, revealing baby stars cradled in glowing gas. Some of these stars will grow massive enough to shine for billions of years. Others may become the centers of new solar systems with planets, moons, maybe even life. Here's the kicker. We're witnessing a moment in time that's already ancient. These pillars are 6,500 light years away, which means what we're seeing now happened before humans ever built cities. And those stars forming right now, they might be lighting up alien skies as we speak. It's humbling. The universe doesn't pause. While we scroll through screens and rush through life, cosmic masterpieces are quietly unfolding, new worlds being born in a swirl of dust and fire, far beyond our reach, but never beyond wonder. The eventual evaporation of all black holes. They seem eternal, cosmic beasts devouring everything in their path, but even black holes die, not with a roar, but with a whisper. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes slowly evaporate over time through a process called Hawking radiation. It's bizarre. Particles popping into existence at the event horizon, where one falls in and the other escapes. This tiny leakage means black holes lose mass, bit by bit, over incomprehensibly long timescales. How long? Try this. A black hole with the mass of our sun would take around 10 to the power of 67 years to evaporate. That's a number so massive our brains can't truly grasp it. But eventually, yes, eventually, it would disappear entirely. And what's left after that? Not stars, not planets, not even atoms, just a cold, dark universe scattered with fading radiation and dead particles drifting through endless space. The last black holes would vanish like the final candle in an infinite night. No light, no gravity, no time, just silence. We often think black holes are the end of the story, but even they aren't permanent. The universe, relentless in its change, erases even the strongest things we know. One day, far beyond our time, the last black hole will wink out, and with it, the universe's last shadow. The universe doesn't wait. While we live out our brief moment on Earth, it spins, crashes, expands, and evolves, writing stories we'll never witness, but can still wonder about. These mind-blowing events remind us how small we are, and how epic reality truly is. Space isn't just out there, it's a living timeline of beginnings and ends, each more incredible than the last. Thanks for watching Space Facts, where curiosity meets the cosmos. And if you love discovering the secret of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures.